Okay, this is Adventure of the Seas, stateroom 3252. This is a standard ocean view cabin. Not a huge window, but good space. This is an adjoining cabin. We do not have the adjoining room, so that door is locked. It does have a chair. And then you have your standard vanity with lights, TV, some storage. Do you have your safe? It's the standard safe that's on these cruise ships, so not a lot of space. Definitely not going to hold a laptop or anything like that. Down here you have your cooler. Not super cold, but it'll do the trick. Drawers, hair dryer. There are some tissues here. They did leave us a little care pack, so there's 2 masks here, as well as a new favorite selfie accessory. I haven't opened that yet, so I'll have to see what's in there. Do have a full-length mirror, as well as the mirror here on the vanity. And then bathroom. Light for the bathroom. So standard bathroom. Do have the pod shower. Adjustable shower head. Have the clothesline that pulls back and forth. Hair and body wash. Pretty standard size shower. And then you have just one large closet. So you have shelves here. And then there are these pull downs that you can use for additional shelving to set things on as well. So again, this is 3252 Adventure of the Seas Standard Ocean View Cabin.